Hi, I'm Preston. Today we're going to go through a detailed build of a SaunaLife CL3G. It's an outdoor cube sauna with a full glass front and room enough for 2 people. We broke the video down into sections for you, and we're going to start with number 1, which is the base and floor.
First up, set your sauna cradles 42 and 11/16 inches apart. This is your foundation, so taking an extra minute here makes the rest of the build way easier. Next, install your stabilizing boards. These keep the cradles square, level, and locked in while everything starts coming together. Now fasten the center board to the cradles and install the drain. Quick tip here, if you slightly loosen the screw on the center board, it makes it much easier to pull that next stave in nice and tight. Now start placing your staves into the cradle. You want each one sitting tight against the next, nice and snug, no gaps, no spacing, just a clean fit all the way across. Keep repeating that process until all the base staves are in place. Once that's done, you can remove the stabilizing boards from the sauna base. Now let's move to the front glass wall. Lay all 4 sections out on the floor first so you can assemble everything safely and keep the glass protected. Attach the brackets to the front glass wall, repeating the same setup on each corner. Before moving it into place, fasten the support board to the front glass wall. This helps keep everything stable while you install. Next, assemble the rear wall and fasten the support boards there as well, before moving it into position. Now place the glass wall into the front crows and the rear wall into the back. To keep both walls stable, fasten 2 staves into place right away. From underneath, drive screws into the wall corners to lock everything together. Now continue placing staves over the walls, fastening both sides as you go. The goal here is simple. Keep everything pulled tight before securing. The tighter the fit now, the better the final result looks. When you get to the keystone, leave the 2 staves next to it a little loose. You'll need to tilt them up slightly so the keystone can slide into place. Once it's seated, use a mallet to tap it flat, then fasten it with screws. Next, place ratchet straps on the leading edges, or one centered, and tighten. While this step is not required, it will aid in the installation of the metal bands. Now, cover the screws with the metal bands. Note, do not cover the ratchet straps with the bands. This is why the leading edge is important to maintain. You may need to adjust how much of the band folds behind the bracket to get everything sitting nice and tight. Quick tip, Pull the material through the bracket until you can just barely thread the nuts onto the rod, then hammer that fold flat. That usually gives you the cleanest finish. Once that's done, remove the stabilizing boards from the walls. Now let's head inside and install the bench supports. Before fastening the benches, always pre-drill your holes first. It makes installation smoother and helps prevent splitting. Install the interior vents first. Followed by the exterior vents. Now place the upper bench on the supports and fasten it with screws. Next, install the bench support legs, and yes, pre-drill these holes too. Then place the lower bench or step bench and fasten that into place. Install the backrest at a comfortable height for seating and relaxing. Now let's move to the door frame. Fix the frame pieces around the door, making sure you leave exactly a 1.1 inch gap from the front face of the door to the frame pieces. This part is really important. The front wall is 1.1 inches thick, so that spacing allows the door face to sit perfectly flush with the front glass wall. Quick tip, place some spare wood on the ground to protect the hinges and glass, and use blocks underneath the door frame to help create that exact spacing. Now place the door into the sauna from the inside and fasten through the front wall into the frame pieces. Cover the seam between the front wall and the door with trim pieces. Attach door handle to the glass. Ensure the fasteners face into the sauna. Fasten the drip nose to the exterior of the sauna. Cover the roof with the felt layer from drip nose to drip nose, ensuring there is overhang on the front and back to cover the cut ends of the staves. Begin installing shingles. Nail pattern matrix is depicted on the shingle packaging. Note: trimming the shingles flush ensures they do not bunch up when the fascia is installed. Trim the felt layer so only the cut portion of the stave is covered. Begin installing the fascia boards on the front of the sauna. Center the bottom board and ensure there is roughly 0.8 inches above the staves. Utilize the small end of a shim to create a small gap between the fascia boards. Repeat for the rear fascia. Install metal clips on top of the backrest supports and run the light in them. You will need to drill a hole to run the lighting cables out of the back. Install lighting clips in the bottom of the bench and run the lights in them. Your SaunaLife CL3G is now complete.